Place the foam roller on your calf just above your ankle bone and perform 4 knee bends. Hold the foam roller still as you do 3 circles one way, then 3 circles the other way. Without lifting your foot, turn it to the side and do 4 knee bends and do 3 circles one way, then 3 circles the other way. Without lifting it, turn the foot to the inside and repeat 4, 3, and 3. Continue this up the rest of the calf, but do not foam roll behind the knee. Place the foam roller on your quad just above your knee. Slide down an inch or 2, back up a half. Down an inch or 2, back up a half. Down an inch or 2, back up a half. Hold this position as you bring the heel towards your rear end twice. Continue with the motion, down an inch or 2, back up half. Down an inch or 2, back up a half. Down an inch or 2, back up a half. Now bring your heel again to the rear end. Continue this motion for the rest of the calf or quad. Sit on the foam roller with one glute. Place that same leg on top of the other leg and continue to foam roll from the bottom of your sitting bone all the way up to the top of the pelvis. You can twist a little bit so you get a little bit more of the glute that attaches to the hip. Continue to go from the bottom of the sitting bone all the way up to the top of the hip. Place the foam roller on your thoracic spine or your whole rib cage. Do not go below the rib cage, and do 3 to 4 passes up and down the whole rib cage. Come to a spot, place both hands up, reach one behind, then the other one, and then both getting a little extra stretch through there. Find a different spot on the foam roller. One arm goes back, next arm goes back, both arm goes back. Repeat that for 4 to 5 spots on the spine. Place the foam roller at a diagonal to your pec muscle and move your torso in and out as you pin and stretch over that muscle through there. You can also hold your body still as you move your arm forward and back as it hovers above the ground. Find a different position on that foam roller and repeat the process of moving your torso back and forth, finding some tender spots as you move through there and trying to take those out. Again, you can move the arm back and forth as it hovers above the ground. Next, place the foam roller on the outside of your shoulder blade and move your torso up and down. And then you can hold your torso steady as then you reach your elbow to the floor and the ceiling reaches, your arm reaches to the ceiling. Repeat that 3 to 4 times at this spot. Then find a different spot on the shoulder blade, roll back and forth. If you find a tender spot, you can hold the foam roller still, bring the elbow down towards the floor and the arm up towards the ceiling.